Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. We are down at Dorset Heavey Horse Farm Park, down at Verwood. Great place, some lovely horses. His name is Viscount. He's a sheer stallion. Ooh, big boy. Uno, he's not in there at the moment. And this is Buddy. Hello Buddy. And he is a Clydesdale. Hello, Sarah's wandered off and left me to it. He's got a moustache. Gypsy Cob. Yeah, that's one hell of a moustache. Hello. That is a real moustache, isn't it? Well, Sergeant Major. Peter the giant rabbit. Ooh, lovely. Giant rabbits. Oh, what have we got in there? Ducks. It's a silver fox. Hello. Got the old kids activity, which looks really good. It's really warm today actually. Some swings which are attended. You've also got a, what is that, Sarah? What do they call that? I can't remember. It's got a sky jump. It's a sky jump. No, it's not a twister. Sky jump. Hello, Mr. Llama. It's Sally that's doing it. Hello there. Have you anything to say to the audience? No? Right. Hello, Mr. Donkey. How are we doing? Are you all right today? Why the long face? Oh, it's the worst joke ever, isn't it?
Yeah, I do worry about you sometimes.
Yeah, I worry about me all the time, actually. Anyway, let's go and see the horse that bites. We won't get to a horse with a big attitude. This is a miniature Shetland pony. Yeah, I'll let you lot read that. Hello, Mr. Attitude. Ah. Yeah, oh, I can hear you. Yeah, goats. Hello, Mr. Attitude. No, we won't stay around with you too long, so I don't want you to bite me. So, oh look, is that a nanny or it's a nanny goat? So, no, he won't jump. No, he'll probably stand up on there. Oh. Hello. He's smiling. How you doing? Hey. Any truffles? Yeah, go on.
Hold Sunny.
Oh well, all of it. So that's the goats, the llamas, and now we're going to go and have a look at the pigs. He don't want to know us anymore because he's had his food. But what was their name, Sarah? Helga and Hector, wasn't it, or something? Oh no, Helga and Greta, that was it. Yeah. God, if they had smell-o-vision. That one there is April. This is Harvey. April. Got a very pretty face. April. Very pretty. What is she? Yeah, I know she's a horse. No. You'd never believe it. Sarah actually went on the horse wagon without me. Here she is, sat on the back. bloody cheek. Well,
Oh,
how was that for you then?
sorry.
How was that for
It
you?
was very nice.
Yeah, bet it
I
was.
was telling him where I lived, telling him what I did for the dinner and
Good
stuff like
God,
that.
really?
Yeah, and he
Yeah,
was
but you
telling me-
bored the pants off
No,
of
and
him.
he was telling me what was happening. There's only about 15,000 shower horses left, or 1,500.
All right,
Alright.
okay.
Did you wonder why?
Well, not after I saw you on the back of the car, I didn't. So I'm going to have a look in the blacksmith shop. See what's in there.
Whoops, nearly had my finger there. Gotta watch yourself, you know. Medieval smithy made the chainmail for the soldiers, all weapons of war, armor, swords, maces, battle axes, you name it. All through history, with the greatest skills with
And have a look in the harness maker. So we've enjoyed our day down here at Heavey Horse Park Farm. I think that's what it was called. It's okay. I mean, it's a lot of money for what is actually there. It's more geared up towards children, young children. If you're going there as an adult, not so much, I wouldn't have thought. But it is a really nice day. And to be honest, the actual talk that the guy gives is well worth it. He tell you all about the Romany gypsies and stuff like that. But all in all, it's been all right. It's been a good day. What do you think, Sarah? What did you enjoy it?
I did, especially the cart ride without you.
Yeah, Sarah actually went on a cart ride without me. I did get a bit of footage of it, so I'll show you that. But yeah, all in all, it's been a good day. I'll put all the details in the description down below for this one, because I think it's probably worth coming to have a visit. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you very, very soon in the next one.